So today we're going to be showing you the round feature on our feature list. On our fast features, we're going to show you all the different types of rounds, how to blend your rounds, square objects and round objects being rounded. Yeah, hope this helps. Thanks guys. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt your video. I just wanted to ask you, please hit the like and subscribe button. It's going to make it easier for me to share my content with you guys in the future, and it will make it so that you don't miss anything. Cool. So we're going to start with a model. So I've already modeled up this block for us, so I don't have to waste you guys' time. So what we're going to do is we're going to select our round feature, obviously. Then, as you can see here, got a radius there, 5.5. So let's just make that say 5. Okay. Now I'm going to click on this edge here, and it will give us a round. Okay. If I say okay now, there's a round. But obviously that's a very small round. So now, if I want to change it, what I do is click, right click, edit definition. Now I can either again select that size and make it a different size, or all I have to do is click on this little block here and drag it to whatever size I want. Obviously there it's 34, 35, whatever, and say okay, and there's your first basic round. Okay, now we are going to go back to our round feature. Okay, now to click on your sets feature. If I want different dimensions on different edges but the same feature, so now we've got set 1, so that'll be, say, this one. Okay, so that one is 10. Then if I go new set and I click on this side, then I can change the dimension, so I can make that say 15, but it's the same feature. Okay, so then we say okay, and as you can see, now that radius and that radius different, but it's the same feature. So if I then suppress this, it will suppress both. Okay, tree filters suppressed. Oh, yeah. So then let's just resume this. So there, resume. Okay, and there's those edges back. Okay, now again we go around. So as I showed you now, you have different sets and you can have different dimensions in different sets. Okay, now you can also have different radiuses. So that is a circular. The one we were dealing with now was the circular. Then you can also go conic. So if you click there, it will turn it into a cone. So if I say okay, see, then it goes like a cone. Okay, then you can also do D1, D2 and D1, D2, C2. So that's conic, that's circular. So on the side we can do D2, D1, D2 conic. You can select that one. Okay, and we can select this one. And if I push control and I select these other ones, so I just hold in control and I push those and I say okay, as you can see there, Okay, now if I go back again and I go, sorry, back here, edit definition. Okay, so now on this one, because it's your D1, D2, you can have different sizes. So I can make this one longer, so say 40, and the other one leave it at 15. Then I'll say okay, because it's D1, D2, as you can see, now it's more even. Okay, so then again, if we go edit definition, if I now make this shallower, say make this 5, say okay, see there how shallow it is now, but it's a nice leading edge, so it's a nice feature because you can make some nice shapes. So then if you go edit definition, we go sets, on here we go D1, D2, C2. As you can see there, it's more round, it's not a cone, so that is the difference between the two. And again, same scenario, you can go up, down, so you can change these dimensions according to what you want. So we're going to make that say 20, okay, and 40, and we're going to say okay, and see there's a slight difference. So it just depends which finish you want, which chamfer you want, which shape you want. So we go edit definition again. Now we've got those. Okay, so now I've showed you all of those. So now if I go new set, I can change this again. I can change it to whatever I want because it's a different entity. It's in the same feature, but it's a different entity. I don't know how else to explain it. So now if I go click on there and I click there, control, and I click on all of these, okay, we change this to 10, okay, say okay, okay, it won't because you've already got a curve there. So we say okay, there you go, close, edit definition, we need to go smaller here, so we need to go higher on this one, so we're going to go say 10 on there, change that one to 10, then the other one to 10, so let's make that 9.5, just so there's a 0.5 difference there, then it should work. There you go, as you can see. Okay, so it just depends on your overlap. Yeah, sometimes it won't work like that, but sometimes it can. So if you go and I make a new feature now, not in the same feature, I go there and I select this now and I make this 5 and I say okay, there it will work now, you see. So if it's in the same feature, it's not going to work, but because it's a different feature, this one now, so you've finished your entity and then you've put that round in, then it will work. But because we were trying to do this one with this one in the same feature, that's going to give you an error because it needs that finished feature first so that it can work from there. So that is basically your round feature. I hope this helps you guys. It's quite an easy feature, but a very nice feature to use, and with these variable options, it does give you a lot of play. You can edit it in many different ways. So I hope this works, and I hope you guys use it, and I hope this makes your life easier. Thanks guys. Hey guys, quick favor, if this video helped you, tap like. It tells YouTube my content is worth showing to more people. And hit subscribe if you want more quick tutorials, tips and real engineering tricks for Creo. More videos dropping every week. Have a great one, guys.